Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be learning how to do Gomukhasana or the cow face pose. This pose is great for the back as well as opening the chest and shoulder muscles. We'll start with some warm-up stretches and then work our way towards Gomukhasana. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. We will start by doing some stretches for the shoulders. Come to Vajrasana. Bring both arms on either side and place the hands on your shoulders. Now let's start rotating the elbows in backward direction 10 times. Inhale as your elbows move up and exhale as they move down. Try to bring your elbows together in front. Make the circles as big as possible and keep breathing. Last one. Let's reverse the direction and rotate the shoulders towards the front 10 times. Make the circles as big as possible. Inhale as your elbows move up and exhale as they move down. And relax. Now we'll do some cat-cow stretches. Come to a tabletop position with hands below the shoulders and knees below the hips. As you inhale, let your belly drop and extend the spine to look up. As you exhale, curl the spine and look towards the navel. Again, inhale, stretch up. Exhale, curl down. Keep going. With each movement, feel the spine opening up. Keep the neck long and shoulders wide. Last one, inhale up, exhale down, and come back to neutral. Then start walking your hands forward and lower your chest and forehead to the mat to come to puppy dog stretch. Keep the hips stacked over the knees. Try to bring your forehead or the chin all the way down to the mat while keeping your arms straight, reaching forward. Stay here for a couple of breaths as you feel your heart and chest opening. Slowly walk your hands back and come back to Vajrasana. Now we'll do a couple of stretches for the thighs. Come onto your knees. Keeping your knees together, spread the feet wider than the hips with tops of the feet flat on the floor. Then lower the buttocks on the mat between the feet to come to Virasana, the hero's pose. Try to keep the toes pointing back. If sitting between the feet is tough, you can bring the toes in and sit between the heels. Stay here in hero's pose for a few breaths as you feel a nice stretch in front of your thighs, calves, and the ankles. Slowly release. Then fold both the knees and bring the soles of the feet together in front of you. Grab hold of your feet with your hands. Keeping a straight back, start pulsing the legs up and down. This is called the butterfly pose. Let's do this a few times. Then just hold the pose, pushing the knees down. Let's stay here for a couple of breaths. And release. Now we'll finally do Gomukhasana. Let's first do the more traditional common version. Extend both the legs in front. Fold the right leg and bring the right heel near the left hip. Then fold the left leg and bring the left heel as close to the right hip as possible. trying to stack the left knee over the right knee. Next, extend the right hand up and take it behind your back. Then extend the left arm to the side and bend the elbow to bring the left hand up the center of the back. Try to clasp the hands behind your back. It is okay if you're not able to do it. You can use a towel or a belt to bridge the gap. Let's stay here in Gomukhasana for a few breaths. Keep the back straight. Slowly release and let's repeat for the other side. Switch the legs to bring the right knee over the left knee. Bring the left arm up and take it back. Extend the right arm to the side and take it back to clasp it with the left hand. Breathe into the stretch in your chest, shoulders and triceps. Gomukhasana is great for improving posture and blood circulation. Slowly release. Now we'll try a slightly advanced version as taught by Iyengar. Come on to all fours and then wrap the right knee over the left knee, bringing both the lower legs together. From here, trying to keep the feet as close as possible, push the hips back and sit on the left heel. Finding your balance here, take the left arm up and behind, extend the right arm to the side and take it back to clasp both the hands. Let's stay here for a couple of breaths. This variation requires some additional balancing and flexibility in the hips. Keep breathing and then slowly release. This was Gomukhasana or the cow face pose as taught in Light on Yoga. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to new videos every week. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.